Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's a new year and we're kicking things off by making some wall art with DTF. I wasn't 100% sure on the type of design I wanted to do, but I knew I wanted to get some practice drawing freehand inside Illustrator, so I started there. A while later, I ended up with this. Amusing, but I'm not really feeling it. So to save time and just get my point across, I sourced some stock images, added and manipulated text, and just like that, I had some art. I printed this week's designs using our new Black Widow DTF printer. With a maximum print width of 24 inches and coming equipped with 4 Epson precision print heads, the Black Widow is the fastest machine in its category. If you'd like to see what this machine is capable of, I'll be dropping a competition video hitting our flagship model, the Mongoose 2, up against the Black Widow. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. I wanted to make these colors pop a bit, so I hit these 12x16 canvases with a bit of matte black spray paint. I figured this press was going to be pretty easy and straightforward, and for the most part it was. My only concern was this half-inch gap between the canvas and the surface of the heat press created by the framing. I tried a few different methods here, using pressing pillows and a Cricut hand press. It was effective and I was able to get the job done. The better, more efficient method included cutting a piece of wood down to size and inserting it underneath our canvas, giving us a flat, firm surface to work with. Jeremy was thinking ahead on this one and was nice enough to get one cut and bring it in. You can find great tips like this and more with DTF University included with your printer purchase. This allowed for a quick and efficient transfer using our swing-away heat press. Our swing-away press comes equipped with a 16 by 20 inch adjustable platform, digital LCD display, and adjustable timer to help you tackle any project. 20 seconds at 295 degrees and we're just about done. I used our cold peel transfer on this one, and what I love most about this product is the cool down time. This allowed me to set up an efficient, stress-free workflow for bulk orders. You can check out this product and more at DTFSuperstore.com, and I've posted the link in the description below. Once our film cools, it's a nice and easy peel and we're good to move on to the next step. DTF prints are pretty durable and there's not much need to worry when it comes to scratching. But like I said, I wanted this to have a handcrafted feel, so I went ahead and hit these with a matte clear coat to seal everything in and tie the project all together. Thanks for watching. Create your products using direct-to-film transfers and shop DTFSuperstore.com.